Hey guys, I'm Chloe, and in this video I want to share with you how to get this super easy twisted ponytail with beachy waves. So if you're interested in learning how to get this look, then keep on watching. So I'm starting off with freshly washed, damp hair, and I'm spraying some of Aveda's Texture Tonic from the middle to the ends of my hair. And I want to get as much texture as possible without applying too much heat to my hair. So instead of blow drying it, I'm going to first take small sections of my hair, twisting them very tightly and wrapping them around themselves. And I'm using little clips to help pin them up. Then I'm letting my hair air dry over a couple of hours, but you can let your hair air dry overnight if you prefer. Once my hair is dry, I'm undoing each twist and using my fingers to separate them. Then I'm adding even more Texture Tonic and scrunching my hair up to get those beachy textured waves. And the cane sugar and salt in the Texture Tonic define and enhance the natural texture of your hair, and it creates these easy, effortless waves. And I just want to define some of the waves even more, so I'm using a curling wand and taking random pieces of hair to curl. And I'm also curling my bangs and the sections of hair that frame my face, and doing this will amp up the look even more, and it will add to the messy, tousled look. Now for the ponytail, all you have to do is gather your hair and secure it with an elastic as you normally would, then create a gap right above the elastic by separating your hair and pull the ponytail through it to create a twisted effect. Go ahead and tug at the twist just a little to loosen it up and give it more volume, and I'm just twirling and pinning some of my bangs back as well. And that's it. That's how to get this twisted ponytail with beachy waves. You can find all of the products I used online at Aveda.com or at any Aveda salon, store, or spa. Check the description box for more information, and I'll see you next time.